All right, everybody, welcome back to week number 2 of our daily fitness challenge. Today's activity that we're going to be doing, or exercise we're going to be challenging you to do, is going to be a lower body exercise. This exercise is called a elevated single leg squat. So what you're going to need is you're going to need an elevated surface that you can stick one leg up onto. This could be a couch, this could be a bed. I'm going to be using this thing right here. If you can find something like that, you could go outside, you could use a stone, or a rock or a boulder, anything that you can find to stick your foot up on. Even a stair. If you have stairs, you can stick your foot up on one of the steps and you can do it on that. So how this exercise is going to work is we're going to pretend like I'm standing in front of my piece of equipment that we're going to be using. So our surface. I'm going to stick one leg back onto the surface, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to do an isolated squat on one leg. So what you're going to do is you're going to drop your bottom down to your heel, and you are going to take your knee and you are going to try to bring it over your toes. So we're going to drop down, getting to a nice 90-degree angle, and then you're going to come right back up. This is an isolated exercise, which means you're focusing on just one body part. So right now we're focusing on just the single leg. How this will work is you can spend the first minute of our set, so we're doing two-minute sets just like last week. First minute of your set doing one side, then once the timer reaches that 1 minute, you'll switch over and you'll do the other side. There is no extension down for this exercise. All I would recommend you doing is doing it at your own pace. So some people might be able to do a single leg squat real fast, just bam, bam, bam. That's fine. If you're somebody who has to go nice and slow, that is also cool. Going down and focusing on the contraction in your glutes. Really focus on trying to do it with proper form, so keeping a nice flat back when you're going down. We're not doing too much slouching over when we're doing the squat. Keeping nice upright, just like with our squats, nice straight back, tighten up that core, drop down, go back up. Some extensions up that you could do would be grabbing a piece of equipment, just like a gallon jug, and doing it with this, adding a little bit of weight to these isolated exercises. So same thing, nice straight back, go down to that 90 degrees, come right back up. If doing it with a jug isn't hard enough, remember we have our backpacks. You can stick a couple things in your backpacks, throw the backpack on, and do it with like a weighted vest. So also when we're doing this, we want to make sure that we're nice and straight. We don't want to see too much sliding off to a side or to the other side. You want to be nice, straight, drop down to that 90 degree, come right back up. Like I mentioned before, we are going to be doing 5 2-minute sets, just like last week. When we are doing this exercise, since it's an isolated exercise, you are going to spend the first minute doing one side, and then you are going to spend the last minute doing the other one. Remember, you have to fill out the tracker sheet. So what you'll do is for set 1, you can put an L, left side, I was able to get 15 single leg squats. R, right side, I was able to get 10. And then you do the next set. You can either, like I said last week, you could bang them out in one sitting, or you could spread them out throughout your day. Also remember, you want to record the last set, at least 30 seconds of it, so that way we have visual proof of you doing the exercises. Stay safe. I will see you in tomorrow's video, and enjoy the exercise.